Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting collection of classic cars and trucks, all sourced directly from Facebook Marketplace. With prices starting at just $2,000, these vintage beauties are perfect for your next project. From iconic muscle cars to reliable work trucks, there's something here for every classic car lover. Let's jump into these incredible deals. Located in Adamsville, Alabama, this Mercury Comet is a solid option for those looking for a good-running classic. It's powered by an inline 250 CI 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. The tan interior is in great shape except for a couple of tears in the driver's seat, and the car runs, drives, and shifts smoothly. It just needs a line to get the AC working, but the heat works well. The vinyl top is peeling in the corners, and the seller is open to trades for a small work truck or $2,300 cash. Located in Houston, Texas, this 1979 Ford Thunderbird has 45,000 miles and features a green exterior with a matching green interior. The engine and transmission run great, and the AC is working perfectly. The seller has the title in hand and is asking for $2,700. This 1959 Edsel Ranger, located in Itasca, Texas, has a 292 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, but the transmission needs some work as it lacks reverse and park. The engine runs, but it needs freeze plugs. With some new parts, including a rebuilt 2-barrel Holley carburetor and a new water pump, this classic is ready for a restoration project. The seller has no title but will provide a bill of sale, asking $2,700. Listed in Warrior, Alabama. This LWB C20 features a gray exterior and interior. Though the motor isn't locked up, it does need to be rebuilt or replaced, as it currently doesn't run. The truck has plenty of new parts, including fenders, floor pans, and more. The seller has invested around $5,000 but is firm on the price of $2,000. Car number 5, 1970 GMC Sierra 1500 regular cab Pro pickup, $2,050. This 1970 GMC Sierra, located in Cherokee, Alabama, cranks and runs but has no brakes, so it will need to be towed. It's powered by a 350 engine with a 3-on-the-tree transmission and has typical rust. The seller is asking for $2,350 or a trade for a nice bass boat. Located in Mariester, Florida, this 1965 Thunderbird has a low-mileage 390 BBF engine. It has been running, but needs a carburetor, a battery, and fresh fuel. The interior is in excellent original condition, and the car is solid overall. The seller is asking for $2,500 cash or trade. Car number 7, 1963 Ford Galaxy 500, 2000. This 1963 Galaxy 500 is located in Freeport, Texas. It features a 289 engine, but it hasn't been started in 3 years. The car comes with a trailer, though neither has a title. The seller is asking $2,000 for both. Car number 8, 1979 Dodge Pickup, $2,000. Located in Burleson, Texas, this 1979 Dodge Mitsubishi small pickup with a camper shell has been sitting for 20 years. It's sold as is, where is, and the seller holds a clean Texas title. The truck is listed for $2,000. Car number 9, 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, 2000 Opel. This 1965 Corvair Monza in Cedartown, Georgia runs and yard drives, but will need some work to be road ready. It's equipped with a 140 engine and a Power Glide transmission, but it needs brakes, a gas line reconnection, and a new convertible top. The car also comes with extra chrome, asking $2,000 or best offer. Located in Fort Worth, Texas, this all-original 1965 Chevrolet Impala has power steering and AC. It's described as a true barn find with some normal rust. The seller provides a bill of sale as the car has no title and is asking for $2,500. That's it for today's roundup of classic cars and trucks from Facebook Marketplace. If any of these caught your eye, don't hesitate to check them out. These deals won't be around forever. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more great finds. See you next time.